his feet funny now. JakeOfALL, what are you doing?
This is supposed to be quick release.
Well, it is. It is a flex stack.
Stack
Flex
pack.
Whatever.
Okay, that's
Tomato,
right.
tomato.
You gotta push these little green things in.
Okay.
Why wouldn't you just leave them that way? Because why? As long as you're not holding that. Now to get it out. That's how you do it. And
Wibbly wobbly. Wibbly wobbly.
but you know what?
Yeah.
This might be a cool idea.
Okay.
But I would say honestly, it's a neat idea. Oh wait, haha. Somebody else already did it. Neat Tools has a way to do it.
Okay.
And you know that we've done it as well.
Yes, we have.
But what was the #1 complaint?
I don't know.
They hated the sticky tape.
That would be my fault.
So this, we're gonna call it a quick tip.
Yes, quick tip. I'm gonna flip this around and then we'll watch you do a quick tip.
We're gonna install the neat version.
Yes.
Of these pins.
Yes.
Which doesn't have the ring, doesn't have the 3D printed part.
Nope.
Saves her fingers.
Yes.
We sell these.
We do.
And we also have a sale on sort of the prototype versions of these.
Yeah, it's
we
like
have
the
a limited
version 1.5 is what we call it. They're going to be on sale for $20 normally. Normally they're 25. We had them on sale for 22. We're doing another sale for 20.
So buy ours
that stuff.
and then buy the neat ones.
Then buy neats. They're like practically the same thing.
I mean, they're not practically the same thing.
They're sort of the same thing. Whatever.
From a girl.
See, like I said.
All right, but you can follow along for the rest of us guys.
Okay, fine.
All right, so the Flex Stack Pack came out with this great idea when they released theirs. So stock Flex Stack Pack, if you push these tabs this way, pull them, and you hold this, you get to your locking point and just keep going. You can take this, and as you can see how this works, it puts this little index out, which obviously catches up in there. So you have to make sure you've got that released. Now, honestly, because there is a mechanical place in there, you could probably leave it. Great idea. Wonder where they got it from. But if you guys didn't know, a lot of people are doing these. We have the ring pins, and that is to replace these. If you look, there are these 2 screws on the PACKOUT. Right? If you take that screw out, now watch. This whole thing comes out. I'd say that's a little more stable. That's my opinion. So Neat Tools, and we have had these pin kits. The ones that we did, Electron Smith designed this little sticky tape cover latch. Then a bunch of these locking style came out. So we evolved, right? Neat.
We're like the caveman.
I mean, I'm not. I'm pretty... Okay. So it's a pretty easy install. When you get it, it comes with this installation, whether he gets it when you get it from us or you get this installation guide, QR code, you can watch a video. But pretty simple. Remove the handle, enlarge the holes, tap the holes, put your pins in. I'm going to say the size right so that I don't screw up. 7/32 or 5mm bit. That is for the Neat kit. You take your drill bit. You put it in a drill. The handle is removed. Drill the hole out. Let's make sure it's a 7/32 before I start, right? That'd be hilarious. 7/32. Okay, so I'm going to drill these holes out.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep, go for it.
Drill my hole. Okay, drill my hole.
Okay, now what?
Now I got a bolt. And of course
Okay.
I'm going to use a Milwaukee. So I'm going to start it by hand, like that.
Okay.
And then I'm going to use this with a little bit of Ugga-Dugga. I've got the hydraulic, right? I'm going to go all the way. Who knows how far we really need to go, but I'm a guy, so I want to go all the way, okay? So that's plastic, and basically what it's doing is tapping the holes without having to get a tap and die kit. Okay, take it back out.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to take the pins.
Okay.
I'm going to put them in the hole. We're going to try to go as straight as possible, and we're just going to thread them in.
Just by hand?
Well, I mean, I can't really put a Ugga-Dugga on here.
Well, I don't know.
My fingers hurt. Okay, so I've got the pin in. We've got a small gap. If you look down in the hole, can you see how there's no pin?
It's kind of hard to see. Okay, no pin. Yeah.
Okay, now
Yep.
watch. See it now?
Yeah. Ever so slightly.
There you go, right?
Yeah.
So, right, locked out, engaged.
Yep.
Okay, now I do want to show you something. And this has been a complaint slash customer service. So I'm going to show you on my Milwaukee PACKOUT. So look at mine and tell me if mine doesn't look weird.
Yeah, the whole
Yeah, so this one, you can see Milwaukee when they put this screw in. This one was not modified.
Yeah.
That one is all messed up, and that one. So what I am going to do is always start with a smaller drill bit. I'm going to clean these holes up a little. Okay. Same thing on this one. All right. Now, the directions. You pull the pins out. You make sure they're not engaged. All right. So with the pins in the locked out position, I slide my handle in past. Right. You can see the holes. Now I'm going to go ahead and put them in the locked position so that when I lift this up, you can listen, and you want to hear 2 clicks. That means both your pins are engaged, and now they are into this piece of steel. And now it's back to the way Milwaukee intended it, which was with 2 tiny little screws holding the entire thing up. Instead, it's 2 pins. Now, to get the handle back out, lock it, and lift. And I want to show you something while we're at it. Look at that height. Look at that height. So with the handle removed, now everyone says, well, what's the point of that? What's the point? What's the point? So this was designed on a standard tonneau cover, standard bed truck bed, right? This was not designed to come off, but because it is shorter, we have seen people using our old original pin kits in the back of Accords, Civics, you name it, trunks of cars, where this much that it's sticking up is going to impede, and this being flush with the top, you're going to be able to get this into more vehicles. And as you saw, it's an inexpensive, and it is a quick mod. All right, well, this one's done.
Okay, great. It's time to pack out.
No, it's not.
What do you mean no?
I got 3 more. I got 3 more. I'm going to install it on all of them.
No.
He sent me 3.
No. Neat and I talk too. And I see everything you say to him, and he wanted us to give these away.
Oh.
So, tell the fellow followers how we're going to give away some of these.
Fine. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to comment below what vehicle you drive and how this would be helpful. Subscribe to us and hit the like button. I can't honestly.
The little bell.
Yeah, that's just the normal. But yeah, subscribe, comment below. You have to be a subscriber. You got to comment below what vehicle you'd use this on and how it would help. And we have 2 up for grabs in this video. And if you head over to our Instagram, if you're not following us on Instagram, we're going to have 1 more kit available.
Woohoo! So now it really is time to pack out.
Yeah, and it's pretty neat.
That's the fact that you got to clean up around here.
Pretty neat.
It is neat.
You clean up.